Hello everybody, it is me, the MotherOfWaffles, with
Martin.
Well, and we're bored, and she's over and she wanted to do a video, so we're gonna start using a conversation starter, which is willyoupressthebutton.com. Basically, as you can see, it says you will gain the ability of flight, but there will always be traffic, and you can choose to press it and accept, or press I will not. So, let's start off on this one. Would you press that button?
I will not.
I will. I would press that button. So, we'll just always press I will not, because it's just easier, but we'll just want to, do you think that was a good or bad thing? Let's see what we got next. You can stop time at any given moment, but bread tastes slightly more like oatmeal. I'm pressing that. I rarely eat bread anyways. I'm pressing that. Would you press it?
Yes, I'll press that.
We are pressing that one. That was a good one. Very good one. You can live forever, but everyone who looks like you dies. Yes, I will press that button. There must be sacrifice.
Yes, I will as well. We're evil.
That was bad, actually. It just kills people. You live a perfect life, but nothing you ever do is private. I am not pressing that. I don't want everyone seeing everything.
Yeah, I'm not pressing the button.
We will not press the button. We will not. That was a bad dilemma. Cash money. But no children for you either.
So you just do
No adoption either. So basically, no children for that much money. Would you do it? I would. I don't like kids.
I will not.
Whoa.
I still want kids.
I don't want kids. It's too stressful. So we will press I will not. That was neither of us agree.
Well, I'd still like that 1 million cash prize, but I'm sure it's happening.
Disney, George Lucas, and everyone else will leave the Star Wars franchise alone forever. But the Indiana Jones series universe ceases to exist.
That's a difficult one.
I will not. I will not press that button.
I'm gonna go with I will not because I can't decide on that one.
We will not press the button. That was very bad. Love Indiana Jones. Getting 1 million, but die in exactly 15 years' time. That gives me. I am nearly 15 now, so I would have 30 years to live. No thanks, I'm not dying when I'm 30. I don't care if I'm given 1 million. I'm not living over 30 years.
Yeah, me too.
I will not press that one. That was a bad scenario, thanks. You were able to fly, but you never get too close your eyes, so bugs and stuff always gets in. I like my eyes, thank you very much. So I'm not going to press that button. What about you?
I will not.
We will both not press that button. Not bad. Another one. A lifetime dream comes true, but you crush someone else's lifetime dream. I don't care. I want my dream. So
I want to press that button.
we will both press the button. We're evil people. Yeah? We don't care about ourselves.
Yes.
Your penis will grow to any desired length and girth, but you turn gay. I don't have one.
Neither do I.
I don't have one.
I'm saying I will not.
I will not. That was bad.
Say bad.
For a guy, I'm pretty sure 69 did not press the button. 31 did press the button.
Kind of hard to for a girl. They don't have a penis.
One point, yeah, not one. Your income permanently increases by 30%. Your IQ jumps by 30 points. But your closest friend leaves you and you will never see them again. I am not pressing that button.
I will not.
We are best friends. I would never betray you. I would never betray you.
We stick together.
I'm going to really understand with you.
Oh, thanks.
Yay! That was bad. I don't like that. You can be with any person you want at any given moment in time. You can only spend 10 minutes with them, and after the time has expired, your consultants completely forget about the conversation.
I will not.
I will! I can spend so much time.
Are you pressing that button?
I'm pressing that button.
Okay then.
I will totally have that. Oh, that's what I can do.
Is that a good or bad?
Oh, the fantasies are becoming a reality. Okay, that was a good one. You would party set, and everyone will be your friend. You get mentally crazy and throw parties with objects. No thanks, I don't like parties anyway. I'd rather just stay home and do stuff. Yeah. Party set. You become president for 1 week, and you can change anything you like. But your high school bully becomes president the week afterwards, and you can't kill him or prevent it.
I will not.
I will not press that. Oh, bad, very bad. Yeah, no. You'll be able to capture memories and relive them whenever. But your mum has to watch them. No thanks! I'd rather just be alone.
I'm not sure. It depends how you feel about your mum.
What memories do I have? I pretty much we went to Alton Towers and I watched my dad flip over. That was hilarious. I've got to tell that story. We were at Alton Towers for a holiday. My dad has very bad balance, so he was on a mobility scooter and he was going up the hill. And I think it started wheel spinning, so I went to my mum, he said, "Look, Rich, wheel spinning," and the whole thing just flipped up and went sideways and he fell off. And everyone in like a certain radius just froze, like, oh my goodness. So okay, gets that straight away, pulls it up, drives off. And we and my mum were just laughing our heads off, and my sister was like, "Oh, one of you was hurt!" And she smacks my mum really hard. And my mum was just like, and she slapped her back. And that's one of my favourite moments ever, that I've relived that so many times. And yes, I know Mum could join me for that one. I actually think I would press that button. You will press the button. The button. Sorry. Oh god. It really made me think. Poverty, racism, homophobia, and biggest health issues will disappear. But every electronic device and vehicle will no longer function. I don't like that.
If every electronic devices will no longer function, I don't know this.
And vehicles, how are we supposed to get to places? How are we supposed to call people?
I will not press that button. What do you think? But if it'll...
Should we sacrifice? I will press the button. I will press the button.
It's up to you. I would press the button because it would end poverty, racism, and that. But
And health issues, which means stuff like that.
press the button.
We will press the button. That was a good one. It really made me think.
I like it.
If we do, if any super you life, but it drains your life every time you use it.
Will not.
I am not sacrificing any minute of my life, even though I am doing it right now. I will not. That was the easy one. So, you can any animal you want. You must get a kiss from a woman to return to your original form. That's not bad. I'm not fussed. I'll be an animal.
What do you want? Yeah.
I just find an attractive woman at least, one that doesn't have an alpha. Yeah, I press that button.
Okay, go on, press it.
I'd press that button. Would you press it?
I don't know. It depends what type of woman it is.
Yeah, depends what kind of woman it is.
I don't know.
That would make me laugh. Your most hated object or person is destroyed forever. You become a real life hero. Yeah, I'll press that button.
I will press it.
I don't care if I become a hero. Okay, well, easy. Like, literally, it's on here. You can be immortal. Anything means immortal. But your family and friends can't. Hell no, I ain't living forever by myself. You will not push that button. That was a bad one, I didn't mean that. That made me sad. You can play any instrument, but all your teeth fall out.
Oh no, not that shit.
I swear as much as like I really don't care. Just put fake teeth.
Well, it makes it really
It's not my dream come true. I'd press the button.
Oh no, disagree.
When you press, I will not. When you scream, press, I will. That was a bad one. That guy just says what I thought. Buy false teeth. Lightning fast instinct always, but lose 3 fingers of your choice. I need these 3 for the WASD, so I get rid of these 2, and I need, and this one. So, these ones are the ones I would lose. I'd lose these 2 because I don't need these ones for playing games.
But wouldn't they make it complicated to pick stuff up?
I can still draw with this and my favourite hand.
Okay then. What do you want to do?
What would you press it? Personally, would you press it?
I'd press it because we get light faster internet.
We will sacrifice our fingers.
Yes, we will.
Which ones would you get rid of?
I'd say that was good because it made us think of it.
That was a good one. That one girl you've always been after finally wants you. She wants you to have a family. I'm not a lesbian, so.
I will not.
We will not press that button. Bad one. Because we just straight away just up. You can make any wish you may make any wish you want. The amount of wishes is unlimited. The wishing system works like the monkey's claw. If you're specific right on the very last detail, your wish will be twisted into something bad.
This is not about capital decision.
I'd press it because I'm always going into creative. Like when I think about it, I would totally wish for this and that, and I go into like super detail, and I just blow my own mind how much detail I just go into. So I'd press that button. I'd write it down first, probably recite it a few times, make sure I got it right.
Let's press the button.
We press that button. That was a good one. You can travel anywhere instantly at any time. You lose 2.5 years of your life. That's not worth it.
No, it's not.
Like,
Well, not.
we will not press that button.
No, you didn't.
Yep, the next one.
You want the fastest internet connection in the world, but it only works with Internet Explorer.
Well, Internet Explorer is usually slow, but if you have the fastest internet connection in the whole world, doesn't matter what Explorer you use.
No, it doesn't.
So I'd press that button,
Let's press it.
even if I hate Internet Explorer. You can read it if you want.
Okay. You become the most famous and wealthy person worldwide. You contract AIDS, which takes your life at the age of 45.
I will not.
I will not.
We will not.
I don't want to.
I don't want to die bad.
I don't want to die.
I want to be an old sailor.
That was a bad one.
That was a bad
Your ability to listen, touch, taste, smell, and talk are improved. You lose your ability of sight.
Does that mean I can't watch movies or play video games anymore? So no, I'm not pressing that.
I won't press it.
That just means if someone farted, it would just stink twice as much. You'll be like, you die. And taste. Oh, imagine if you accidentally ate one of those Harry Potter Eddie Baby jelly beans.
Oh yeah, they're horrible. The vomit one.
Ugh. You'd really vomit. I would not press it. Would you press it?
No.
You would not.
I would say it's good or bad.
I think that was a bad one. And it should be for nothing. You have the superpower of your choice, but you are rejected by society. You never liked society anyways. I should become a superhero.
Let's press the button.
We should press the button. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to know my hands. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was just a quick video we decided to do ourselves. I'm out of my class.
Like, comment.